Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to share a completed composition notebook, but I thought I'd show you kind of and explain how I start. I do it in a couple different ways. Like this one, I got little images or things I drew, northern, and I do go through and glue some pages together. Like here you can hear it. I have to finish. Oh, wait. Nope, I don't. So that is one way I do it. Another way is I just don't care. I just leave them without gluing in two pages together. And what I do is when I have extra paint from just painting or just jelly printing, I'll put it in a composition notebook, and then as you can see I got some started in this one. I'll come back and doodle in it, and like this one's ripped, no big deal. And if I have a stencil, I'll put a stencil, whatever paint's left on a stencil, like this right there. Some pages kind of stick together. I don't worry about it. This one's almost where I'll start doodling it again and finish it. Like this one, what I'll do here is I'll probably come in and just glue, or I fix it. And what I mean is I'll just take, let's see if I got something handy, like this. And I'll just glue that down, so then when it flips, it looks like this. You can see I just slop it on. I'm not neat about it. Like this is from the top of a washi top. I just had paint left over and I just did it. So I got this many pages in this. Some might be glued in here, I'm not sure. But that is the start of the next. I always have like two going. I always have more than one book going because sometimes you have to wait for them to dry. But this is a completed one. And I've just put the date. And my pages were sticking. So I put some wax paper in between them. So that's the beginning of the book. Over there. Some I write, some I do an image on. It's, you know, it's not pretty. Like this corner ripped on me, so I put what I had. I just grabbed some scrap stuff I had. These are just magazine images, little sayings. It's just to me, this is relaxing when I do these. They don't have to make sense. Miley Cyrus. Some I doodle on. Some of the background that I did, I just left and just added image because I liked how it looked like this. I didn't do anything to the background. This is all coming in and with different paint that I just built it up. And when I came to do something with it, I thought it was cool and I thought these images just looked great on there. So I left them. Here I added some of my scraps. I always skip one. There we go. I found this in a magazine. I thought it was cool. And I went, do you want a kiss? And I doodled around the background on that one. This I did a while ago. And I had it laying around, and I just decided to put it in here. Of course, it's Halloween season, so I did one. Oh, that's not right. And magazine images. They got to see how it's stuck. It's like, darn it, you know. So I thought, the wax paper. Just the background I did. These lines right here is this. This is Scott's, off Scott's Harley. It's his foot pedal. And you see how this little knob right here? They were all supposed to be like that. So he had to replace it. And he asked me, you want these, baby? And I'm like, oh yeah. And they made such a great lines. See? You kind of see the lines? So always look around your environment when you do mixed media. You'd be surprised what's out there you can use. I think most of in the back, I just kind of just did backgrounds. I just enjoy doing backgrounds more than I like putting an image on them, personally. I have a thing for like doing stitches. I think I like how it looks. Just a stencil, and I just went around it and doodled. And the back. So that is a completed composition notebook. It's an art journal, personally. So I thought I'd just share it with you. Like I said, always when I'm jelly printing, I'll have one of the pages out, boom, and I roll off in here. Versus, you can see, that's just from rolling. And eventually I build them up. So I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe. Be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.